Yo guys, and welcome back towards this new video here on the channel. And on today's video I will be talking about Bitcoin and the current bullish breakout we're getting on this market. Together I will be talking about this horizontal range that we're currently about to be breaking out of, and this could be really signifying the end of the consolidation phase and the start of a massive potential move for the market. Also, I will be talking about this daily breakout for Bitcoin, this other insane weekly chart, and this insane retest on the RSI where we're currently bouncing from off, and of course together over these other interesting charts on the longer term. So guys, before going in towards the content, make sure to smash up the like, subscribe to the channel, and of course if you haven't already, smash up the bell notification, and let's jump in it right now. So Bitcoin of course broke bullish of the falling wedge we've been talking about, and of course we do know a falling wedge is a typical bullish bias pattern, and that is also the reason why we did saw this continuation towards higher regions. Also, do notice that we're currently of course trading we are already trading above this region, this horizontal region over here. And like I've been warning you guys about, as long as Bitcoin is trading in this region, we are expecting a rejection from the higher side, and we're expecting a bounce from the lower side. And we have been very spot on with the prediction so far. And of course, my prediction also said as soon as Bitcoin does decide to be either break bearish, so of course close that 4-hourly candle below it, we could be looking for lower targets. And of course, as soon as Bitcoin closes its 4-hourly candle above this region, we are going to look for a bullish breakout. So yeah, bullish breakout extremely close right now here, and in this case we want to see of course that 4-hourly candle close at least above the 30.7k. That is going to confirm a 4-hourly breakout. Also, what I can already see is that the 4-hourly time frame is already closing higher than of course a lot of these previous 4-hourly close, suggesting there's a lot of strength. So yeah, we could be arguing, if we're just going to be approaching it from this perspective, we already broke bullish, but that's not what I'm going to be doing here. I want to be seeing a clear close above the 4-hourly pattern, this 4-hour resistance box here. And of course if we do that, we are going to look for those higher targets. So guys, this is of course starting to be forming and starting to be looking very good for Bitcoin, and this could be of course the potential move we've been waiting for. On that 1-hour time frame, you can clearly see we are continuing towards the upside after seeing this falling wedge breakout. So this is of course a beautiful continuation to spot on the market, and right now we're just going to be focusing on that next move here. Looking at the daily time frame, of course, it was pretty obvious. I've been talking about this yesterday, and of course, I've been basically already warned you guys about it before. Before Bitcoin is probably going to create a massive move up here, it first comes down and forms a lower low, like it did over here, right? Low in the market, and let me remove the drawings. Low in the market, lower low getting formed here on the right side, right? You know what this is? This is, of course, a bullish divergence since the RSI is still climbing towards the upside. I've been clearly warning you guys about it, and of course this bullish divergence is currently, of course yesterday we confirmed the bullish divergence, right now we're moving up, and together with this bullish divergence we're currently forming, we are already seeing that, that breakout of that downward sloping resistance line also getting formed. So yeah, daily time frame, we could argue about it, is looking very bullish. And if you're asking me, what is my target? And of course my target has been of course all around being the same. My target is this major orange resistance box basically, right? Previous support zone of Bitcoin. I personally think we're going to find a huge amount of resistance around this range, but a move up at least towards 36k here is going to be making a lot of sense for before we're going to create another massive move either towards either direction, right? So pretty interesting. We're finally starting to be breaking bullish, and this is of course looking to spice up, and it's looking to really create that massive move we've been waiting for. And of course I will be reevaluate whether we're going to be staying bullish if we come up here, or that we want to be seeing that continuation down, right? So we're going to open some massive trades in the future over here as well, even though we already opened very good positions on the 28.5k basically. And of course, if you're interested in trading, make sure to check out first of all the links in the description for the platforms to do it, but also to find the Telegram group where we do give you guys these signals about what I'm going to do with my trades. Then furthermore, I can really clearly start to see Bitcoin is starting to be bouncing from of this weekly support range here. You can clearly see Bitcoin has been of course retested this level last time around here in the pandemic low, and right now we touched it and we are already starting to be bouncing from it. So it has been basically the perfect touch we've been waiting for. Also the RSI is really forming and starting to shape up a very interesting pattern, right? We're forming and shape up here on the RSI pattern. what is starting to look very interesting. We could, of course, start to argue, okay, we are right now in this consolidation phase for Bitcoin RSI. And of course, as soon as we start to be breaking out of it, it's going to start to look very exciting. So yeah, pretty interesting what we currently can see in terms of the development on the weekly RSI. And right now, we just want to be looking for that next move here. So do notice we're getting the same risk level as March 2020 in terms of buying and accumulating. The question is, however, will you be benefiting from it? And of course, don't say I've not warned you. I've told you my strategy. I am just buying every single time more and more and more. And there's going to be a day that we're going to be rebounding back towards the upside. And it's probably, if it happens quick, and you will be probably not even able to buy Bitcoin below 30K. So make sure to do your research. Make sure to stick on the market right now here, because this is the time to put your time in the market. And of course, to make the large money. Because the most amount of money is made in bear markets, guys, by the way. Then furthermore, I can really talk about this Elon Musk thing here, right? Elon Musk shows he's bullish on Bitcoin, and Elon Musk also showed us that he is, he basically placed this picture on Twitter on the top side at the all-time high for Bitcoin, that he was looking away from that Mars man, and right now he plays that picture that he is looking towards us. And of course, you could be, of course, maybe take this as a bottom signal. He called the other one on the all-time high, and right now he's calling this one on the basically the low in the market. Is this a bottom call from Elon Musk? It's going to be very interesting. And of course, guys, in hindsight, it maybe will seem very obvious, but if Elon Musk is right and the market does move up from here on, it's going to be pretty interesting on how we're going to see this basically develop further on in the future, and what kind of influence he will be basically having, and his influence will be basically once again grow in the cryptocurrency industry. So pretty interesting to see. Also, this comparison between Bitcoin and Google, you can see the comparison is very, very good here. And right now, we've got everything working out perfectly. We got the positive leading phase, we got the positive breakout, and these charts look very similar to each other. So if like these historic fractals are on our side, we are looking for a very bullish future ahead of ourselves. And I mean, the future of Bitcoin is inevitable, and that is what I'm trying to tell you guys. Start to zoom out if you're definitely in doubt here. Bitcoin is, of course, for the long term inevitably going to grow here. Why? Question mark. It's because Bitcoin is, of course, designed to, of course, create less and less supply over time, so create basically scarcity over time, and that is why the growth and success rate of Bitcoin is extremely high. At the same time, guys, really, if you're interested in buying anything here, check out Bybit in the link description. You're also getting a very good deposit bonus, so that, of course, makes it a very, very interesting thing here, and I personally think that you should definitely take advantage from the deposit bonuses currently in the market. And of course, guys, I mean, I've already talked about it several times before on the channel. You can clearly see the accumulation is not stopping. Bitcoin addresses more than one Bitcoin on it, absolutely skyrocketing. Like, you can see the more wealthier part of the world is right now accumulating Bitcoin. The wealthy individuals are accumulating Bitcoin, and I don't think if you're accumulating Bitcoin right now on 30K, you're really likely going to be dropping it if it comes down towards 25K. So guys, many people are calling for 20K Bitcoin, but think, who is actually going to sell it? Who is the one that is going to sell their Bitcoin for 20K? I don't really think there are many people around there that are going to do that. So guys, this was already it for today's update video. If you did enjoy it, smash up the like button, and of course, stay and watch this channel breakout with me. So follow me also on Twitter and Telegram, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.